All right, if you're never clean your garbage disposal, this is the way you need to do it. They have the little packages that you get, and you get that funky smell, or you haven't done it for quite a while and you need to clean it, or your garbage disposal is going to go out of service and you got to replace it. So I recommend you guys setting these up at least once a month, once or twice a month at least, and make sure you run water with it. Right, so that's what we're going to do, run some water on it and let this work. So it tells you instructions in here how to sanitize, deodorize, which and fragrance. All right, that's what we want. So let's go ahead and do this. Running it, just make sure you put some water in there, put it in there, and make sure you put enough water for a bit and let it run. Let's turn it on. There it goes. So the air running. Water in there. Once it runs for a bit, we'll turn it off. Make sure it's all there. And then rerun it one more time just to make sure that everything's gone. And that's it. Pretty much that's it. It works. I can smell it. It's going to help your drainage even drain better. So hope you guys enjoy the video.